This is the landing page review for the product FloQuotes. So when I come on the landing page, I see a photo of a plane from US Air Force. Not sure how this relates to the product FloQuotes. It seems it's more about quote estimate um, production than US Air Force. So let's go ahead. Send codes at supersonic speeds. Okay, so supersonic speed probably relates to this image. Very indirect reference. I would prefer that you actually probably even remove the image and move the actual information to the top. This image does not really add any value to this page. Stay at home to make your estimates. This is wrong English, so make sure your copy is correct grammatically. You don't generally make an estimate, you provide an estimate. So, and also stay at home. I would rather say provide estimates from home rather than stay at home to make your estimates. Use active verb as active tense as compared to passive as much as possible. But again, I don't think this whole thing looks good. You should probably remove this image and move the content up. So now let's go down. FloQuote, save time, save money, save the planet. Okay, you can potentially even remove this, but let's see. FloQuote is a brand new software application. You don't really need to say brand new software application. Just saying brand new means people will question the trustworthiness of this application. They will ask themselves, one, will you be around for longer duration? Second, how many people are using it? Is it bug free? Will I be the guinea pig? And all that. So there is no need to say brand new software application. That allows you to make estimates from, again, make estimate is not the right word, from information, images and videos that the client sends to you using iMessage and email, whatever, or however they send the information. FloQuote uses it to build you a fast and accurate estimate for your client. You don't need any other software to send an estimate, but if you do, it works with your database or your current field service software. Whatever you use, FloQuote will make your estimate simpler, faster, and better. This is a lot of information, but it's not conveyed nicely. There are a few questions that I have just on when I come to this page. One, who is your target audience? Who are you selling to? I am not really sure. Like, I want to provide estimates from images, videos that my client sends to me. I don't know whether this is applicable to me or not. Second, it works with my database. You don't even know which database I am using, or your current field service software. Again, you don't know which one I am using. And FloQuote will make your estimate simpler, faster, and better. Again, I think you should target it nicely. A paragraph is too much to read. You definitely want to break this up into bullet points, and again provide benefits that this software gives in shorter sentences as compared to writing a whole paragraph. So got a minute? Here's why you need FloQuote. Save time. Stop wasting time traveling to see people who aren't going to buy. Use the extra time more wisely. Save the planet, not traveling. Okay. Save money. Time is money and traveling means fuel. Okay. Make more money. Spend more time on the clients that are going to buy, not with. So again, it does not tell me what this software or how this software is going to benefit me, because if I'm in business, I am already using some kind of estimating software. It could be Excel or it could be something else. Just by reading this much, I don't know how it's going to improve my process. Like what is my pain point? I don't even know that I have a pain point in providing estimates. So if that is the case, then you actually want to first highlight the pain point that I may have. Only when you highlight the pain point, then I think that, okay, yes, I do have that problem sometimes also, because I'll look into this. But if I don't have that pain point, then this whole is meaningless to me. Now, assuming your customer audience does have the pain point, some pain point that your product is solving, you actually need to focus on that pain point here and nothing else. You have too many benefits: save time, save money, save planet, make more money. Again, nothing. What comes first? If I have a pain point, does your customer have a pain point? If your customer has a pain point, highlight that here. I should know that even without looking at the video. What is an e-quote? So now you are defining a new term, e-quote, which is different from FloQuote. And I'm assuming e-quote means a quote over the internet. But again, it's a term which is not very widely used. So you probably should change it and change this line to something else. We actually wanted to call our product e-quote. Who cares? I don't care what you want to call it. But there are several small companies out there called e-quote. Oh, I don't need to hear about this on this page right now. You can potentially put this on About Us page in a story. But on a landing page which is supposed to convert, I don't really care. I want to know how this product is going to benefit me, and I still don't know at this point. I still don't get it. That's correct. I don't get it. Okay, let's try again. So imagine being able to get an accurate estimate out to your client without ever visiting the property. So now there is some kind of property. So I am in a business which has linkage to some kind of property. I still don't know which one. Is it property management? Maybe. Is it realtor? Probably not. Is it plumbing? Maybe. Is it... I don't know. Think about how much time and fuel this would save over a month or a year. Think about how... So again, if you have an estimate of how much money and time and fuel I can save, write it. Quantify it. Giving numbers helps. If you tell me that, okay, I will save $5,000 a year by using your product, I'm interested. At least in knowing more about it. But if you just say save, it'll save me money. All products say that. Doesn't really matter. Thank God. The industry standard is 1 in 3. That makes 2 wasted journeys. Okay, remember. So you can also say, okay, don't or improve. I would still say actually money, more about the money or how much money you will save me. This, you can potentially say how many less wasted journeys I'll have, but money is definitely more important. People are happy to waste your time if you let them. So one thing I don't know, okay, is, okay, so don't visit until you have some sort of commitment from the client. Okay, so now I sort of have an answer that, okay, your product helps me give a quote to a client only if there is some commitment from them. I'll spend more time on those. Okay. So I still don't understand, because as a business, commitment generally can be shown, for example, over phone. When somebody calls you, just by the excitement of his voice, I know how committed he is. And I don't know how your software will be able to help me in figuring that out, like how committed a client is to me. I as of now, I don't understand how your software is going to help me with that. Quotes and estimates. Okay, so your software provides both quotes and estimate, I'm guessing. Means again, you are teaching me something which I may or may not know. That's good. But this should not be there on the landing page. How does FloQuote work? Okay. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Customer sends you a message asking for service. That message can be from a WhatsApp or whatever. FloQuote gets it and sends back a message automatically asking for the customer contact details, description, what they've done. Now I get it. This is what should have been on top of the page. Maybe in an animated video, animated GIF, or a short video of what the messaging looks like. This is what I would like to see in an animation somewhere here on the page. You have basically hidden this at the bottom of the page, and most people will not even read this. Customer sends it and FloQuote formats it all into an estimate instantly. Yes, I would say this is good. This is very helpful. Show it. Capture video screenshots or from the mobile or wherever, and show it how it works. This is what I need to see for me to understand what your software is doing. We won funding from the UK government. That's good for validation, saving the planet, good. There are a few more benefits. COVID-19, everybody knows, yes. If you have any customer testimonial, you should add them. If you have any customers right now with logos, you should add them. If you have numbers, for example, how much money I'll save, or how many estimates you have prepared for all your customers combined, and how many customers you have. The numbers add more validity to the product. So if you can provide some quantitative numbers, that will help. But the main thing is the whole process should be on top of the page. This is what I need, which I cannot find anywhere on the top. And again, I don't want a video, just do a GIF, animated GIF, which starts instantaneously about what this is. Okay, let's go back to the video. I've not seen it, so maybe it shows. So this is good, but again, show this in text format as well. You need to revamp the page quite a bit to make this work. But what people will need is this information on the top. Hope that helps. Good luck.